Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you have just installed a new application from the App Store in your iPhone and you are not able to access the contacts of the app, so in today's short video, I'm gonna tell you how you can solve this problem. So guys, to solve this problem, first of all, open the settings application of your iPhone, then scroll down and click on screen time here. Once you are in the screen time, scroll down again and click on content and privacy restrictions. Here, first make sure that content and privacy restrictions is enabled in your iPhone, then scroll down and click on contacts. At the top of this page, you will see two options. If your phone has don't allow changes selected, then you won't be able to access the contacts for the new application. So you have to select allow changes. So after doing this, you will be able to access the contacts for any new application in your iPhone. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.